you're looking for a Hostinger coupon code, you can currently get an extra 10% off Hostinger hosting with my exclusive Hostinger coupon code. I'll show you exactly where to enter it, what happens to the price, and one thing you should check before you pay. To get started, click my Hostinger discount link at the top of the description below. You'll find my exclusive Hostinger coupon code right next to the link to enter at checkout. This is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you purchase through it at no additional cost to you. Once you click the link in the description, scroll down to the Hostinger plans and choose the hosting plan that fits what you're building. For most beginners, I'd start by comparing Premium and Unlimited. Premium is the lowest cost option. It should be enough if you're creating a normal website, blog, portfolio, or small business site. Unlimited costs a little more, but I consider it if you're planning to create several websites or you want the additional resources and daily backups. There's no reason to pay for the more expensive plan if you won't actually use those extras. After selecting your plan, you'll be taken to checkout. To apply the additional discount, find the coupon code section at checkout. Enter the exclusive Hostinger coupon code I provided with the link in the description and click apply. Once the coupon is accepted, make sure you see the discount reflected in your order total. That's the important part. Don't complete checkout until you confirm the coupon actually changed the price. Where you see period, this is where you choose your billing term, and there's one important pricing detail to understand before you select it. The low monthly price you see advertised is based on paying for the selected hosting term up front, so don't look at only the monthly number. Check the total amount due today before you purchase. I'd also take a quick look at the renewal price. Your introductory discount applies to the initial term, and the hosting price can increase when that term ends. So if you're ready to sign up for Hostinger, use the link at the top of the description, enter the Hostinger coupon code provided next to the link at checkout, verify that the extra Hostinger discount was applied, and then complete your Hostinger purchase.